Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. So if you are going to verify your Google account and you are facing that issue that you cannot use this number, so there are many reasons. The first reason is maybe you use that number many times. If you use that number many times, so it is not possible, so you need to change your number. But if you are using your number and you will not getting a code, so you simply need to go on to your Google account. So once you are in your Google account, okay, you simply need to click on your personal info, and here you can see I use different number. So you need to change your number from here, and you can use another number that is available for you, and make sure that you not use that number before. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.